In this video, we are going to solve exercise 1.3, question number 5. Question is, find the product using suitable properties. By using the properties, we have to solve this question. Part A is 26 multiplied by in bracket minus 48 plus in bracket minus 48 multiplied by in bracket minus 36. We have to apply here suitable property. First, we have to identify that is it any number is 2 times or 3 times, means in repetition form or not. By observing, easily you can find that this minus 48 is 2 times here, first time and this second time. You can write this minus 48 here one time only, and by taking it common means we will write this minus 48 one time outside of this bracket. Inside, what is the remaining terms? First 26 multiplied by minus 48. This minus 48 only we have taken out as common. What is remaining here? 26. Because we have taken here already, we will not write this here. After this term, what is the next? Here is plus sign. Again, same term, minus 48, which we have taken here. So we will not write here. Next term, minus 36. In bracket, we will write minus 36. Why in bracket we will take it? Because two signs cannot be together. So we will separate these two signs with this bracket. If you will see it very carefully, you will get this term is in if I take minus 48 is equals to A, this 26 is equals to B, this minus 36 will be is equals to C. So what will you get? Means B cross A plus A cross C. By which property you can say here? Here A, here no sign means here is multiplication sign. In bracket B, 26 is equals to B. Here is plus sign, that's why here is will be plus sign. Next term is C as minus 36. So when we will solve it further, we will get again A cross B, then plus A cross C. By which property? By distributive property. Understood? So this term will be as distributive property. Let us solve further. Again, minus 48 will be as it is. According to Bodmer's rule, we have to solve first bracket. We have to open first bracket. How will we solve? See here very carefully. Plus minus in the bracket means, here is bracket means we have to multiply of these two signs. So plus multiply by minus, two opposite signs always gives us negative signs. Number is 36. Minus 48 will be as it is. Don't forget here is multiplication sign. 36 minus 26 gives us 10, and sign in the answer will come of the greater number, means between 26 and 36, 36 is greater, and with this 36 minus sign is there, that's why here will come minus sign. Let us solve here. Solve this. First, multiply minus into minus gives us plus. We will not write this plus. 48 multiplied by 10 gives us 480. This is our answer. So I hope you have understood.